Oh, how do you teach a burb to do that? That's so awesome. What is up? Welcome back to another episode of Guava Reacts. Today we're going to be reacting to burb memes. Okay, if you don't know what a burb is, then you don't know what a burb is. It's those things that fly in the sky. That's right, a burb. It's an action word. A burb. All right. Well, anyways, let's just react to these funny burbs, and here we go. Yeah. Hey. Okay. I was getting into it. All right, hold on. Comment down below if you've ever had a burb who lives in the pineapple under the sea. What? Whoa! Hold on. I stopped the video too soon. Check this out. That was so intense. Me too. I want to do that too. Here we go. Check this out. Who lives in a pineapple under the sea? Yeah. Hey. Yep. Wow. Literally like a squishy doll. Oh no. Oh no. No, for that split second, we learned about the burb's previous life. Oh, man. And like, don't touch my cat. Uh-oh. The burb's like, don't. This is my mom. Don't touch my mom. She gave birth to me. She laid eggs and I popped out. I am a burb. This is so funny. Oh. You don't do that to your mom. Jeez. Wow. What are you saying? No. I guess that's like, I've never seen any burb memes, but like, I guess that's like a really popular, I guess animation. That's amazing.
Riches, you're famous.
Yeah?
Yes, really? Did you know your video got viewed over 20,000 times?
Just kidding.
Yeah. Can you believe that?
Wow, that's so cute.
Really?
What?
It was amazing.
That's amazing. Oh, what? Oh, I love burbs. I want to get. We should get a burb for the office. Yeah, and it's like no cage, just let it free. Yeah. Okay. That was amazing. Wow, burbs are so violent with their offsprings. That's how you feed a burb, by the way. That's how they feed each other. Wow. Jeez. Oh man, yeah, because I used to own pigeons. That's right, I lived in the Philippines when I was younger, and yeah, I had pigeons, and that's how they feed their pigeon babies. And it's very violent, but that's the best way they do it. Did you know that? Birds chew up the foods on their mouth, and then they throw it up on their baby's mouth. That's how they eat. That's seriously how baby birds eat. The parents chew it up, they throw it up, and the birds eat. Look at that. Okay, that's too violent. Oh man. Wow. Wow. Oh my mawo. Oh no! The bird's like, hey, I'm talking to you. Die. Oh no! Wow. Hey. Hey, I was talking to you! You better listen to me because if not, you're gonna die. Oh my mawo! Oh my mawo! Nagadosta! Sumimasen! Seriously. Okay, that was the most intense. Wow, what a bully. That bird was a bully. Whoa! That's pretty dope. Yeah. Ooh. That's kind of creepy though, but that's pretty awesome at the same time. Yeah, hey. Burp.
Want some seed?
Yes. What?
Whoops.
What? That was so random. That was so random. I love it. Wow. You know what this bird was in the previous life? A gambler. Literally was a gambler in the previous life. Wow, you greedy burb. What a greedy burb. This is so funny. This is. I need to watch more burb stuff. Whoa! Wow! How do you teach a burb to do that? That's so awesome. Wow! What a great burb. Do it again. Oh man. Oh dear. Oh!
Hey. That's my phone. Really? Really? Really?
Love it! I love you!
What are you doing
It's a
with it?
cockatiel. Cockatoo.
No, you can't use my phone.
Uh-oh.
It's impossible. You don't know anybody
Uh-oh.
calls anyway. Yeah? I'm talking to you, huh?
Don't do it.
What?
I
want my
don't
phone.
like this one. I don't like this one.
I want my phone back.
Oh,
Eddie, you can't call nobody.
nice.
I want my phone.
It's a burb under the sea. Who lives in the burb under the sea? Oh! The art of camouflage is so strong. Wow! If you pause it right there, it's really, really hard to tell until you go like that. Wow. Oh no. Okay, what's this one? Uh-oh. I hope they fly in two windows at the same time. Oh wait, they're going to their house. Oh. Uh-oh. Break your neck. Break your neck. Oh, cute. Cute. Cutie. I love you. I love you. I will stretch my foot as wide as possible to eat this. What? Who's this bird? I feel like this bird's famous. Super duper famous. Bowie. Alright, Bowie. Yeah, I've seen enough of you. Oh! What kind of birds are these? These are cool. Wow. Relationship problems. Wow. What's wrong with that bird? I wonder what it did. Oh, see, baby birds are so ugly. Oh.
I think you're telling Mama stories. I think you're telling me stories.
They're so ugly. I'm gonna pause it real quick. Look how ugly they are. Like it's like when you like de-skin a chicken and you eat a chicken leg. It looks like that. It's so gross. Oh, you're walking your bird. Oh, it's a dog. I think the bird reincarnated to a wrong animal because it's literally a dog. Or the owner just probably trained it to be a dog because the owner probably doesn't want a dog, but maybe the dog or the trainer wants the dog to fly. So I'm gonna go back to my favorite one. Hold on, let's watch this last one though. Wow, I'm not sure if that was like the guy is holding a squeaky toy or the bird learned that, but I'm gonna go back to my favorite one. It's my boy. Girl. Oh my god. Well, anyways,